When it comes to compact utility tractors, one model has been setting the standard for many years. It is versatile, powerful, efficient and reliable, and it has been one of the best-selling tractors in its class for years. But this is no longer good enough for us. Because for us, progress means going from good to great. Have we really managed to make it even better? Talk to your John Deere dealer. He's already tested one. With its new 5M, John Deere offers a tractor that goes even further in responding to customers' needs and requests. The 5M combines compactness, agility, and good visibility with power and efficiency. At the same time, the 5M offers a new level of operator comfort. Choose between the extra-large comfort cab, spacious low-roof cab, or open station. Are you looking for a modern compact tractor that can cope effortlessly with the many varied tasks of your farming business, whether livestock, arable, or mixed? Then the 5M is the perfect all-rounder for you. From lifting heavy loads to working in confined spaces, the 5M offers powerful engines from 75 to 115 horsepower and exceptional agility for navigating narrow stables and tight farmyards. For the widest range of uses and crop types, all year round, the 5M is your reliable companion. Comfortable, strong, and with trusted John Deere quality. It excels wherever a tricky task needs to be accomplished, fast, efficiently, and comfortably. The 5M series offers the right tractor for every need. With either a 3-cylinder engine or 4.5-litre common rail 4-cylinder engine, each model comes with its own unique strengths. Together, they form a strong family. M, as in more than you would expect in its class. The new 5M from John Deere.